Uh, Hello, hi, and welcome to Emma Bubble Box. And I want to say welcome to the blog site. Now, this blog site is called Meet Little Political Line. It's called GX9Z. Now, this is Emma's website, just so you know that he's all Emma's content. Just so you know that. Now, what I'm going to show you in this video, when you very first come to Blogger, it says publish your passion. That's what it says. Yeah, you can't quite do that. So, and I'll show you the reason for it. What originally I uploaded my photos like this, which honestly they look too bad. I think, well, I'll give you a little photograph of it. That way, if you want it, if you like the look of it, you can click on it and have the big, massive version of it. If you want to, that's a really good quality created by an AI software. Be perfect. If I go in here and look at it, well, I'll show you this. This is how my website's supposed to look. I think because I can get more photographs basically on the actual page. That way you don't have to keep scrolling and scrolling. You don't have to keep doing that. I think but what's the problem? The problem is if you go to reality, and that's preview mode, looks absolutely great. Come out of here, come down to this one, view blog. This is the reality check. I think great. Scroll down, look at the size of the photographs. I think yeah, they're kind of horrendous. Thinking, yeah, I don't want my photographs like that because if I've got a lot of photographs, which I have, you're going to be scrolling forever. And I think there are some really nice photographs here. So if you're interested in any kind of artwork, then come and take a look. They're pretty great, as I said. So in order to get rid of all of this like this, I can't have it like this because the new, I'm going to say, the new Blogger AI, even though it's pretty clever, it's not capable of showing a photograph of that size, so it looks like that. Of course, it shows it in preview, which looks great. Now, of course, if I had loads of photographs like that, maybe you wouldn't mind clicking through the photographs because they're all on one page. But as I said, uh, unfortunately for me, I have to scale them up. So I'm going to say to Blogger and Google, thanks very much for not keeping my actual scale of my actual content. But as I say, if you look over here, well, I'll show you this. These are actually the photos now that I'm using for the new website. I'll show you. So what I'm going to do, I'll be replacing the photo. So this is what I need to do. I need to go out of here. First of all, I need to load up the actual image. It's actually off the screen. You can't see it. So this is going to be just be called Emma. That's what it's called. And this is Emma's. I'll show you what it's called. You go to new post, over here, it's called Emma, and this number. It's actually, the number itself is actually longer than that, but yeah, I'm trying to abbreviate the actual name of it. So anyway, I'm going to leave it like that. So leave it like that. So in the search engine, you're going to have to type that. So just so you can find Emma, it doesn't really matter when you put Emma. Emma will come up anyway. So as I said, I want to go here. The categories, it's downloadable. I want to scroll down my menu, it's a media, and it's a photo. So that's just the categories I'm going to stick in. Later on, I'll put the video on there about it. So now what I want to do, I want to go here. If you ever turn this on, you can't get it off. Just press it again, it turns it on and off. Go here, photo, upload from computer, browse, scroll down. Now do you want a landscape or do you want portrait? Really, honestly, I want portrait, but I don't want this portrait because it's pretty big. So I can have this one, landscape. So this is how the landscape looks. This is how the portrait looks. I think, yeah, I want that, but I don't really honestly want it that big. I want it really kind of tiny, about the same size. About that size, yeah, size there. That's the size I want. I don't want it like that, it's massive. But we'll bring it in and we'll see how it looks. Because this is her page anyway, so go okay. So we're going to put in the portrait. She loads in, she looks like that. Click back on her, go here. Now I'm going to go original size. Now, does that really look like original size? Come on, sort it out. So anyway, that's not the original size. Go here, small. Let's try that. Give it a second. Let me preview it. Let me have a look and don't see how many days. Okay, now you see the size of it. That's probably a bit more how I want it. I think, yeah, that's probably about the size that I want originally. But of course, is it going to really look like that on the website? Probably not. But we're going to have a look. So close that. So close that for a moment. And now I'm going to go. Actually, I'm going to click back on that. I'm going to go here. I'm going to do medium. And I'm going to click off it. Just see if it saves it. I'm going to publish it. Because I want to see what it looks like as medium. So this is here now. Let's go for get off the page. Get off that page. I'm going to wait for that thing to close. Press this. No, obviously that's just way too big. Go here. As I said, considering obviously as I said, our blogger's got a new AI. I think you really can't actually even show a simple picture like that. That don't say much for the AI, really, honestly. If I go in here and look at it, I think, yep, it looks about as good as I want it in the first place. Until I go and actually check in reality when I go to the blog site. So when you go there, you're going to see that. Look at it. What a mess. Yeah, anyway, so yeah, it's kind of okay because you can read the text, but I think, yeah, you can't really do nothing with that. So let's go back here. Let's click the photograph. Now I want to get rid of that photograph. So I need to press delete on my keyboard, wherever delete is. Get rid of the photo. Okay, I can't seem to delete it. Okay, I don't think it wants it. Okay, so it does delete it. Okay, that was a bit of a mission. Go import. Yep. So we tried this one, the portrait. It's not any good. Let's try this one. Let's load this one in. Let's see if this one's any better. So we're going to bring it in. I'm just going to click on here. It says there, medium. Let's do small. Let's see if you can do that. And come on, you can update it. Update it. So as I said, if I go and preview it now, as I said, you can see that I'm trying to change the actual photo. But, yeah. Blogger's not having none of it. Yeah, it's kind of a bit better, but not quite, because it's chopped away half my text. I'm thinking, yeah, perfect. So let's click back on this one. Let's see what size it is. Okay, it's on small. It's on small and it's deleted half my text. Really? Let's put it on original. Let's press that. Let's go back and have another look at it. I'm thinking, well, it's getting a little bit better. Yeah. It's kind of a bit of a joke, honestly, really. As I said, I'm trying to upload the content, but yeah, I'm kind of having a little bit of an issue with it. So the only way I can kind of probably do it, honestly, in all honesty, is to take a screenshot of the actual blog, go to my desktop, back in here, right click, make a new file. It's actually off the screen, I apologise. Make a new file, just make a new photograph, right click, edit, and then paste my blog into my paint shop. So as you can see, I've now brought the actual blog page into my workshop. I think so now this is going to be my template at the moment. So I'm going to re-edit this template and I'm going to re-upload it. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to scale this photo down a little bit so I can get all of my text into the photo. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to close that and I'm going to save it. So as I said, I'm going to make the exact same thing, except I need to scale it to this size because, yeah, it's not working. Of course, that looks better than that. Look at the state of that. That's a mess. I say, if you see them photos, you're not even going to click on them because you're going to think they're really, really bad. But actually, if you click on that photo, any of the photos, they look 100 times better than that. But you have to click it to find out. But I'm not saying you have to click it, but I'm saying if you want to see what it looks like, you have to click it. And some of these photos in here, I think you'll probably keep them because they are really, really, truly fantastic. So anyway, I want to say here, thanks for looking. And I want to say thanks for watching my video. Yeah, come back and hopefully if you come to my website, if you do come to this website, the name's here. Okay, so if you want to copy and paste the name into the actual thing, you can. So what I'll do, I'll bring it down a little bit so you can actually see the name. Here's the actual full name of the website. Okay, it's gx9z nickel.blogspot.com. Okay, when you come here, if you come here, yeah, it's actually called meet. That's actually what it's called. But anyway, when I was making the website, even though I wanted it called that, it gave me that. I think it gave me okay, kind of great. But it doesn't really matter how you go about doing it. Anyway, if you want to go to the website, click the link. I'll put the link under the video. So if you actually want to go to, if you want to come to this website, click the link under the video. Come here, have a look. It's part of my video channel, part of YouTube, it's part of all my sites. All my sites are intermingled, all of them. So as I said, if you come to the content and you say, well, you know, you could have done the photos a bit better than that. Honestly, I really did make an effort. I will show you. As I said, if you go here, look, if you click here, this is how you're supposed to see it, like that. So it looks better. Of course, the photos are a bit smaller, so obviously all you do, click on the photo, and you'll get a big, massive photo of the same character. So as I said, if you want to come see the content, you can come see it. But as I said, I'm trying to, yeah. As you can see, I'm trying to upload a very simple image, and of course the AI program itself can't quite cope with it. So we can't do original, we can't do small because it doesn't understand the difference. As if I go here, look, watch. Now it knows that I want it small, so look, it's showing it small. A bit too small, but I think okay. So okay, I'm going to leave it small like that. As I said, you can only go big, you can only go original, medium, small. Now if you leave it on small, you kind of fit inside the page like that. Yeah, I'll at least tweak it just a little bit. But at least it's kind of making an effort. That's what it's doing. So I think, as I said, I can't have it like that. Just anyway, yeah, you kind of get the idea. So honestly, I'm going to say to Blogger, Google, whoever maintains the site, please sort out the image thing because it's just horrendous. Look at it. It is horrendous. It really is. So as I said, I just want to be able to upload a photo, let's say this size, and then I want to be able to go here. I want to be able to look at it. Now this photo here, just in case you're wondering what size this photo is, it's 141 pixels long and it's 90 pixels across. So I'm just letting Blogger know that. So you know, because the website does tell you to upload your passion. I think if my passion is to make a photo collection like this, that looks kind of great, kind of user friendly, I think unfortunately I can't have it. I have to share the other content. I have to share it like this. I think yeah, but that what you see is honestly truly not what you get. It's really not. Because if you go in, as I said, if you go back into the reality check, that's actually what you've got on the webpage, not the little photo. So yeah, so when you go publishing something, make sure, especially if you've done loads of photographs like me, I've done about 50 photographs, and I have to go back and do every single one of them again. Thinking, really? Just because the AI can't scale it to the original size of the photograph? I think, oh my word. I think, yeah, I want to say, yeah, Google or Blogger needs to sort out the image thing because it's horrendous. It really is. Anyway, as you say, thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks very much for watching my video. I really truly appreciate it. Stay safe. Bye.